The Almarai dairy factory produces the highest quality nutritional milk and covers an area of 268,000 square meters and is one of the largest and most advanced in the region. The milk comes from our 6 super farms with a herd size of over 160,000 cows from the best cattle breeds in the world. Sophisticated feeding and care systems are implemented around the clock to ensure the quality and safety of production. The factory receives over hundreds of millions of litres of fresh milk annually, which is transferred by our chilled tankers from the farm to the factory. Milk is unloaded via special valves, maintaining its temperature before getting pumped into the silos. A sample from each silo is sent to the Almarai laboratories, where milk is examined to ensure its safety and purity before the start of processing. Once the laboratory results are out, milk is sent directly to the pasteurization process. Before the packing process of fresh milk and yogurt starts, the machine checks the purity of the packs and sends them to the labelling machine before passing through the filling line. All these machines operate in precise accuracy and yet at high speed that reaches up to 250 packs per minute. Throughout this journey on the production line, products are subject to rigorous cross-examination by sophisticated machinery. Here, for example, the device ensures the safety of the covers where packs are rejected if there is a defect in the lids or a risk of leakage. Once approved products get transferred from the production line to the packing and boxing area, which is automated through a sophisticated robot that handles this task. The Almarai dairy plant produces dozens of dairy products like laban, milk, yogurt, cheese and cream, and also offers a range of advanced dairy products such as Vital milk and yogurt and lacto-free milk. All these fresh products are shipped daily by the Almarai fleet, carrying them to more than 48,000 retail outlets across the GCC. So that the entire family can enjoy our quality products worthy of this trust. Almarai, quality you can trust.